He was a brilliant psychiatrist. He had a loving wife and 2 kids. But he disgusted by his work and irrevocably bored. He got the feeling that rather than helping his patient, he just makes them go from a state of explicit madness to a tolerant boredom. Even worse, he was convinced that there was no change that he can make to improve things. He decided, therefore, to create the dice therapy. The concept was very simple. It was to roll the dice and make decisions every day based on the results. This story is an overview of a novel, The Dice Man, by career English professor George Cockcroft, written under the pen name Luke Rhinehart. If you want to get out of the rut, try rolling the dice like the main character in this novel. It's a great idea to decide what to do by rolling the dice, because we tend to choose a list of behaviors without knowing it. For example, if you are the kind of person who makes and executes a list of things to do, you are likely to unconsciously repeat the same pattern of behavior, according to the list. Try using the dice sometimes at work too. If you roll the dice and decide something random, you'll get a different result. It means that you can get creative ideas that you wouldn't have gotten if you had pushed things forward as you originally wished.